Brian with Grand Roofing, and I want to do a really quick product review. It's not a big, full, drawn-out video, but it's about the pitch hopper. If you're thinking about getting one, check this out. We have one here. I'm not working on this section. I just had a good opportunity to show you on this mansard face with a safe part to walk on. But a pitch hopper is something you can work on comfortably, flat platform, which grips the shingles very well. This is a steep 2612 pitch. I'll put my pitch gauge on here just so I can show y'all. Let me get it opened up. And my pitch gauge, basically, if you could see, get the sun off the screen, it will change with the angle here. So if you change the angle here to this roof, that is a 2612 pitch. That is insane for a pitch hopper to grip. I want to show you the video because it's safe. I can get on here safely with no harness or anything. And if I fall, if it slides, I'm on a 312 pitch, 6 inches below me here. The thing grips amazing. The issue it's got sitting up here on its own is the weight of the pitch hopper is almost further out from the point it's pushing down on the roof, so it wants to just flip out because the CG is like out here instead of on the roof. But when I get up here to put some weight on the pad, and it grips. I just jumped up there and I'm mind blown, so I had to get the camera. I need to do it on the edge here so I can grab this and pull my body weight up. But let me put the GoPro on so you guys can see how crazy this pitch hopper grabs. You can see it's just about to fall off there. Set it up there gently so it stays. Again, it is just about 6 inches up, so you can tell if I slide, but I'm not going to get hurt. Get some weight on that pad. I need to grab an edge because I just got nothing to grab onto, but she will grip this. No hands, it's gripping. I would never recommend you use it on something like this without appropriate safety harness, fall prevention, scaffolding below it, something. But just to show the gripping power, the sheer strength of the pitch hopper, wow. I'm definitely going to be using this thing a lot more as needed. Just amazing. Go up a little higher so you can see. Definitely up off that. Problem is I just can't keep my body weight on it without pulling myself with this roof. Look at that, 2612. Pitch hopper, amazing. I would leave a link directly down below where you can get it, but I can't find it on Amazon. You have to find the manufacturer directly. Look at your local roofing supply houses, and it's a specialty tool. You're not going to find it at Lowe's, Menards, Home Depot, but it's definitely worth it. If you've used it, let me know. Comment what the craziest, steepest pitch you've successfully used it on safely, how you felt. Was it good? Did it grip? Did it scare you? Whatever. But I'm blown away. I've used it on a 1212 and it felt great. I never would have thought it would have grabbed this. That's amazing. 2612 pitch hopper gripping it like it's nothing. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you've used them, not used them, questioning it, got a question about it, want to get it, comment below. Maybe somebody can help answer if they've used it. If you could, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and until next time, be safe, and we'll see you on the next one.